So, students, today we are going to start with the chapter Major Domains of the Earth. And as you know, that you have already studied what are oceans, what are continents, and the names of these oceans and continents. Okay, we are going to proceed further today. All right, so you can see on your screen that here we are going to start with atmosphere. Okay, you should know that Earth is surrounded by a layer of gas known as atmosphere. Okay, means you should know that there are several types of gases that surround the Earth that forms the atmosphere, like oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, so many gases. Along with these gases, there are also dust particles and water vapors. Okay, so you should know that, and you have studied it from the very beginning also, that we need this air to breathe. Okay, and it also protects us from the several kind of UV radiations that emit out of sun. Okay, here you can see that this is the chart that defines layers of atmosphere. Okay, our atmosphere extend up to the height of 1600 kilometer. Okay, like this is saying that this is our atmosphere up to the 1600 kilometer. And here they are now talking about the five layers of atmosphere. Firstly, they are talking about troposphere. You should know that troposphere is the layer where all the weather phenomena used to take place, like your rainfall, snowfall, wind, all the weather phenomena used to take place in this troposphere. Then comes stratosphere. Okay, stratosphere is a layer which consists of ozone layer that protect us from harmful UV radiation, which we were talking earlier. Then is mesosphere. Okay, this mesosphere is the layer through which meteors used to enter the Earth's surface, and as they came in contact with the atmosphere, they catches fire, and if they are in big in size, they causes destruction also. Then there is thermosphere. Okay, thermosphere is the very important layer because through this sphere all the communications used to take place. And finally the last one is exosphere. Exosphere is the layer which consists of light gases like hydrogen and helium. Okay, so next they are talking about that in our atmosphere there is 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. Okay, so let me clean the surface. See this, other gases are present in only very little amount, like there are carbon dioxide, argon, radon, so many gases are there, but they consist of only 1% of the atmosphere. And you all know that oxygen is very helpful in breathing. We all the human beings used to breathe oxygen. Okay, and even other organisms, animals also breathe oxygen, but plants used to inhale carbon dioxide. They prepare their food in the presence of carbon dioxide. Okay, so they are saying that carbon dioxide is present in our atmosphere in a minute amount, and this amount is essential for our earth. It should be balanced. Carbon dioxide absorb heat from the atmosphere, means it absorbs the heat that is emitted out by earth. Okay, that the earth used to release, and then it helps to keep our planet warm. Okay, like our earth used to absorb sun rays during the daytime and emit out the same during the night time. Okay, and carbon dioxide is the layer that absorbs this heat radiated by the earth's surface, and that heat is very essential because it keeps our planet warm and helps in the growth of plants. Next they are talking about density of atmosphere. It varies with the height. You should know that at the sea level the density of air is maximum. Okay, density of air is maximum at sea level. When you go to height, the density of air decreases. Okay, it decreases. So I think so this is very very clear to you now. Let us go to next page. So this is the next page, and as we were talking, now you already know that density of air is maximum at sea level and minimum at height. So that this is the reason that climbers used to carry oxygen cylinders along with themselves when they used to go on a greater height. Okay, and temperature decreases as we go in upward direction. As we go on greater heights, the temperature decreases. That is why their climate is very cold. So now they are saying that there is also pressure. Okay, and this pressure varies from place to place. Okay, there somewhere it is high pressure area, somewhere it is low pressure area. Okay, so you should remember one thing, that air moves from high pressure area to low pressure area, higher pressure area to lower pressure area. This is the way that how air moves, and moving air is known as wind. So this is enough for today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.